Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Palm and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. So if you're new here, welcome. If you are an OG, welcome back. Okay, so today I really want to do a quick one. You remember my first video? First of all, if you have not watched my very first video on YouTube, you need to go back and watch it, because if you're watching this and you haven't watched that, you're not going to understand what I'm saying. Yes, so now I want to tell you what I'm going to talk about in this video so that you don't waste your time if the information that you need is not here. So number one, I'm going to show you my progress from the first video. You remember my first video, the mat I used to show you how to do a shaggy rag? Yes, I'm going to show you how far I am with it. Number two, I am going to show you a video of my friend's work. She was doing a rug for a client and it really motivated me. That's why I had to pull my mat out to show you guys how far I have gone. So I just want to put that video here so that it can motivate someone to know to like work and just keep working, because it was quite big. Number three, I'm going to share with you where to buy and how much they go for approximately. So where to buy them in Nairobi and Eldoret, that is all I know. I don't know for other places. And number four, I am going to also address the issues of thread. There are people who have been coming to the comments telling me about the thread. I am also going to address that. So we just get into it very fast. I don't want this video to be long, but I feel like it is going to be long, but I'm going to put them to put sections so that you can just go straight to what you want. Yes, so we do it. Yep. With my progress. Okay, so this is the part I did the tutorial on, and this is the rest of the mat. It is quite big. It is like 3.5 by 5.5 feet. Yes, and this is how it looks. Let me try and give you a close-up. Yes, that is how it looks. Yes, and so far I have used, this is the fourth yarn that I am using, and you can see how much is left. So this is the fourth yarn that I am using. Yeah, so that is how far I am. Quite far. So you need to know, guys, I don't do this for business or something. I just do it as a hobby, okay? So number two, let me show you the video of my friend's work. Imagine she made this all by herself. It's so pretty. See? Oh, it's so nice. So nice. Imagine it just looks like you bought it somewhere. It's very nice. So number three, it's where to get these things. Let me start with Nairobi. A straightforward place is Biashara Street. There's a shop called Freeman's. It is just next to Rafiki Microfinance Bank. Yes. If you have a smartphone, if you're watching this YouTube video, you have a smartphone, just go to your maps and look for Biashara Street. Or if you're in town, ask a guard somewhere where Biashara Street is. So the problem with, it's not a problem, but like in that shop, the prices are on the higher side, if I can say that. So if you want to buy your items for a relatively cheaper price, you can go to Is it Kikorok or Kikrok Road? I'll just write the name here. And River Road. Let me just say, the next time I'm going to drop a pin. You guys, I'm just going to drop a pin, or I'm just going to take you along. But when you go to Kikrok Road and River Road, you're going to look for, you know, those windy shops. I'm talking about Kenya, by the way. Kenya. If you go to those shops, the Waindi, those ones that sell stationery and school stuff, they usually have like school uniform, books, pens. Yes, you can always get Tapestry there. Just go and ask. Not all of them have, but most of them do. and they will also have yarn, and they also have like the crochet needles. So this is the yarn I use. It is robin. I hope you know the robin chunky. This is how it looks. And I use this crochet in like 3 or 2.5 millimeters, and the crochet might go for 50, 70, 100 depending on where you're going to buy. The yarn is going for 80 to 110 bob Kenyan shillings, depending on the brand and also the type of yarn you're going for. And I would prefer you buy the 5-pack, the pack. It is cheaper. And the tapestry mat, a quarter goes for a quarter meter goes for 350 shillings, half 600 Kenyan shillings, 1 meter goes for 1200 Kenyan shillings. Yes. What else do you need? Scissors. You can always get scissors anywhere. So that is approximately the price. If you are in Eldoret, just opposite 64 Arcade, you know that street that goes to, is it Spree? Yeah, that street, there is a Muindi's shop called a wool shop. It's a wool shop actually. They usually sell yarn and tapestry mats and also school uniforms in there. So you can always get one there. And you can also go to Cloud9, the building Cloud9. Yes, it is along Uganda Road. And if you just enter, if you just go into the entrance and ask for Mahewa's shop, the guy who sells the tapestry mats is called Mahewa, and if you just ask at the entrance, they will direct you to his shop. He sells beads, mali stuff, and yeah. For number 4, I said we are going to tackle the issue of the thread. I don't know if I should explain or demonstrate first, but everything depends on the yarn you are using. Is it chunky? Is it tiny? Yeah, you know. And also the tapestry you're using. I came to realize also the tapestry matters. So let me show you what I have. Let me just demonstrate. I think you'll get it if I demonstrate. Let me just demonstrate. So this is the tapestry. This is one type of tapestry. As you can tell, it is so soft, and it is I don't know, is it delicate? What do I say? What is the right term? It's like if you pull it apart so hard, it's going to rip. And then there's this one. It is relatively harder than this. You can compare the two. As you can see, this one is softer than this. Okay, so let me show you guys what I came to realize. All the yarn that I used for this project and these projects, you know, this is my kamat that I used to show you all my tutorials on. They are the same size, okay? The difference for this mat is that the tapestries are different. This one is harder, this one is softer. So let me show you guys. So if I pull on this one, you know, actually I'm putting on my strength so that you can see. It does not pull out easily, but if you keep on pulling, like pulling kabisa, it will come out, okay? It will come off or come out, yeah? And then when you come to this one, I don't know, let me put you on the right angle. So if you come to this one, this is how it looks. So let me try pulling this one, you see. I'm really pulling hard on it. In fact, it doesn't pull off, it tightens. For this one, it tightens. But you really have to be very, like, applying a lot of energy, like pulling very hard for it to come out. Okay, so what I can say is that I feel like this tapestry, the textures are not the same. This one is quite rough than this. So when you pull from this one, it will come out easily than this one. But you really have to pull hard. Like I've shown you, you really have to pull really hard for it to come out. I don't know what people are doing with these maths so that they are just coming out easily. I don't understand. So what I can say about that, I don't dispute. I always tell people in the comment section, sorry about that. I always tell people in the comments when I reply to you, I don't dispute that the thread cannot come off or cannot pull out. Sorry. It's just that I don't experience it, because what will I be doing pulling at a thread that much? I don't know. Do you get me? I'm not saying this from yeah, I don't experience that because I rarely pull at the threads, pulling at it. For the washing, I am going to do a video of me washing the mat so that you can see how I do mine. So what I can say about the thread pulling off is that you use the technique that works for you. Okay, use the technique that works for you. And if you want to use this technique and you feel like the threads will pull off or come out, what you can do is just use this technique and don't cut. It won't come out, it won't pull out. Yes, those are the two options. Real quick, insert pictures of how the mats look like that a friend of mine make. She's called Marilyn, a very good friend of mine from high school. Yeah, she makes the mats using that technique that I use. She actually told me she learned to do it from my YouTube channel. So let me show you how her mats look like, because she does them but does not cut the thread or the yarn to have that shaggy feel. So let me show you how they look. I just have pictures. Let me show you. They are so cute. So cute. And also, I would prefer when you're buying your tapestry mat, also get a strong one. So check on the durability. Make sure you get a good quality mat, a very good quality. You can always go to as many shops as possible, compare, then get the strongest one. Okay? Yeah, blubbered a lot. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. What else? If you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll be so happy to help. Yes. So see you in the next video. And I wanted to tell you how I learned to make this mat. So we had a new member in the office. Her name is Jessie. She's so nice. So she used to come to the office and make these mats at her free time. And it was so fascinating seeing her doing it without cutting her yarn. So we asked her to teach us how she does it, and she taught us willingly, with a good heart. She was willing to share the information and the skills, and even where to buy, blah blah blah, how much they go for. And she even took us to the shops herself. I decided to post that video of me doing that tutorial because cutting those two threads to pieces is such hard work. I just wanted to help someone out there. The information that I was freely given, I wanted to give to others freely. So that's why I did the tutorial. I didn't even want to start a YouTube channel then, but that is what pushed me to do the video. Just help someone out there who was looking for an easier way of doing these maths. Yes, and at that point I think we can end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Bye.